Hi, my dear students. In the previous class, we are discussing about the definition of the event and meaning of the event management and why event management is needed. So this is the a good question for each and every student. Why we have to study about the event management. So what is the need of the event management? See the first one See the first one develops the theme of the event. What happens here? Develops the theme of the event, and the second one is the provide career opportunities, and the third one is the develops leadership qualities, and the fourth one is the develops team spirit, and the fifth one is the enhances corporate image. So these five are we are previously discussing, and now the sixth one we have to discuss encourages the creativity encourages the creativity. So first of all, what is meant by creativity? So what is meant by creativity? So creativity is nothing but a person's ability to think new. A person's ability to think new. ಹೊಸದನ್ನ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ creativity. Every event is a new challenge for them, and every event needs a creativity on the part of the event management team. Therefore, event management encourages that develops creativity in the managers. See, creative people only can survive in the society as well as the corporate field. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸದು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಆಲೋಚನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಎಸ್, ಸೊ creativity is very essential nowadays. Without creative techniques, without creative ideas, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಬರ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟಿವೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ಥಿಂಕಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್, who are having excellent talent knowledge, they are able to get opportunities in the corporate field as well as in the event management also. They needed some important creative techniques to become success of the event management. So therefore, it is very essential. Event management has give an ideas, new thoughts, how we have to present in a creative manner. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಟ್ರೈಲರ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ the company to company is different. When it is different, when they has the creative ideas and thoughts, then they are different. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀವು ಇವತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಂಕರೇಜಸ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟಿವ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಶೈನ್ ಆಗುವಂತ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಶೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡರ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್ ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ವೇ ಇಂದನೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಜನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆಲ್ treated each and every shareholders. In that situation, the word of mouth advertisement, this is the most important promoting tool nowadays. Word of mouth advertisement gives an a creative thoughts. So how they are maintaining, how they are treating, how they are registering, how they are explaining, how they are presenting. So what are those facilities they are given to us? Each and everything, it must be communicated one person to another person. It is all depending upon the creativity, how we are presenting the events. So therefore, because of the event management, each and every event managers as well as employees of the organization, their creativity will be encourages. After this, the next one is ensures safety and security. Ensures safety and security is nothing but event management team ensures safety and security of the people throughout the conduct of the event. Management team, the event management team makes proper security and safety arrangement such as frightening, proper power backups, and so on. See, safety and security, as well as when we are conducting the event, safety and security is very, very important. Each and every participant, each and every audience, they feel that whether when we are going to that event, is there safe or not. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಆ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದಂತ ಸಿಚುಯೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಇದೆಯಾ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. In the event management, with the help of the event management, safety and security also, it is a precautionary measures we have to be taken. So it is also a highlighted point because of the safety and security. The people also feel that so this organization is safest place for our money or investment. So these are all what we have to be called as. So event, because of the event management, it also controls the safety and security measures. And the next one is, this is the most important point, financial management. Financial management. Financial management. See, each and every organization, what we called as finance is the lifeblood of the organization. Finance is the lifeblood of the organization. What about in the organization's event management? Organization event management team may be responsible for the financial management of the event. See, this is the most important point. In an organization, the event management team may be responsible for preparation of budget, how much they are investing, how much they are dividing to the each and every department, determining the break-even point, preparation of the cash flow analysis, each and everything related to the finance activities, they must and should analyze. So this is the most important point. Financial management is the very, very critical task or the work of the ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಬಜೆಟ್? ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಂಡಿಚರ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಜೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಸಹ ಡಿಟರ್ಮೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಸಹ ನಾವು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಫೈನಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಡೆಕೋರೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, ಇವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾನರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು, ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಅಮೌಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಬಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಕೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, record keeping system. In that record keeping system, we are following the two types of record keeping system. The first one is the traditional record keeping system, and the second one is the modern or the computerized record keeping system. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಜೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇವನ್ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೋಸ್, ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ outflows. This is also analyzed by the event management team. Each and every fund will be arranged by the top level management. Each and every fund utilization activities, fund utilization departments, and each and every thing related to the fund. So those records must and should, it will be submitted to the top level organization. So this is also one of the most important point. Because of the finance management, we needed the event management. Now the next one is ninth one. Ninth one. See, in this ninth one, why this is also why we need the event management. Builds a strong customer relationship. This is the most important point has to be discussed. Builds the strong customer relationship. Event management team builds a strong relationship with various people involved in completing events in a joyful way. The strong relationship helps event management companies to complete their task easily. So this is the most important point. Our treatment and presentation, as well as the accuracy and efficiency, with the help of all these points, what happens here, the customer relationship will be increases if we are producing the correct information related to the financial statement. So here shareholder also satisfied, investor also satisfied, creditor also satisfied. See, in this way, so event management is needed. If event management is successful, then organizational goodwill automatically increases. Therefore, what is the need of the event management? So it is the another point tells us what is the need of the event management. Builds a strong customer relationship. After that, perfectionist. Perfectionist. Here, perfectionist. What is meant by perfectionist? Corporate firms can really upon event management companies as they take responsibilities of the event seriously, but with friendly attitude. After assigning the event to the event management company, organization can feel relaxed. Event management companies set high standards in planning and executing events. These make them make them totally perfectionist in completing the various events. This is another point we have to keep in mind. Perfectionist, when once the corporate firms assigning the work or the task to the event management team, then the organization is not interfering in these activities of the event. Each and every activities is under the control of event management team. Then the event management companies, they set the well organized manner standards, that is the rules and regulations. They are well planned and well executed, so then the event become success. If they are not perfectionist, then it is very difficult to attract the audience. So these are all what we called as why we needed the event management. What is the reasons we needed the event management? Here there are the 10 reasons we needed the event management. In that, the first one is the develop the theme of the event. Second one is the provides career opportunities. Third one is the develops leadership qualities. Fourth one is the develops team spirit. Fifth one is the enhances corporate image. Sixth one is the encourages creativity. Seventh one is the ensures safety and security. Eighth one is the financial management. Ninth one is the builds a strong customer relationship. And tenth one is the perfectionist. And the next most important concept here, functions of event management companies. What are those functions of the event management companies? The event management companies functions has been divided into five types, those called as planning, organizing, staffing, leading and coordination, controlling. See, in this, the first one is, we are very well known, the first one ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದನ್ನ ಫೈವ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟಾಫಿಂಗ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಲೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್, ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಂಗ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳನ್ನ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಆರ್ಗನೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ರಿಸೋರ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲೆಡ್, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲೆಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ ವಿ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. ಅನ್ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲೆಡ್, ಸೆಮಿ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲೆಡ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್. Leading and coordination, each and every department coordination we needed in this event management. And the controlling is also one of the most important part, whether they are reached to our standards or not. So these are the functions of the event management. So in brief, the first one is the planning. First one is the planning. Here, the first function of the event management team. The first function of the event management team. This is the most important point. Here, planning. What is meant by planning? So, planning is nothing but predetermined course of action. We are deciding in advance. What we are going to deciding in advance? This is the most important point. So, what we are going to deciding means we are going to deciding what to do in the event management, what we have to assign, to whom we have to assign each and every task of the event. So the optimum utilization of available resources is one of the functions of event management companies. Event management companies begin their activities with understanding the client profile, requirement of the event, and the target audience, and the number of expected preparation of cash flow statement. See, this is the a very excellent explanation they are given. Optimum utilization, optimum utilization and the maximum utilization. What is the differentiation between optimum utilization and maximum utilization? Optimum utilization is nothing but, so how much we are required, so that much we are using, that is what we call as optimum utilization of available resources, is one of the functions of event management companies. Event management companies begin their activities with understanding the client profile. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್, ಸರ್ ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್? ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಕಂಪನಿನೂ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಲಾಂಚಿಂಗ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸೊ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವು ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಶೇರಿಂಗ್ ಸೆರೆಮನೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂತ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಇದೆ, ಐದರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ರಿಚ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆರ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ ಪೂರ್ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಯುಟಿಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ, ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಮೀಡಿಯಂ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್. ಕ್ಲೈಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೈಲ್ is very very important when we are planning towards the event. Second one is the requirement of the event. What is the requirement of the event? Why we have to conducting the event? So what is the essentials we require to conduct the event? So this is also we are deciding in the planning process. The target audience. Who is the target audience? This is the most important. Whether the target audience is the adults, or the target audience is the old age people, or the target audience is the children's, or the target audience is the male or female. This is also we are determined in this planning process. After this, the next one is the number of expected audience, how much they are coming, and the preparation of the cash flow statement, that is the income statement and position statement, also we have to recognize it. So these are all points we have to be preparing in the first function called as planning. After this, the second one is the organizing. Second one is the organizing. Here, organization function of an event management company involves the description of the activities required for an event, identifying individual and team tasks, and distribution of responsibilities to coordinators. See, in an organization, if we are assigning particular event to the event management team, it is very, very essential to organize them, whether the employees of the organization or the team of the organization or the individual or team. So this is the very, very important function. In this function we are deciding, so what is the team task and what is the individual task and what is the responsibilities of each department coordinator. So this is also one of the function of the event management. After this, staffing. After this, staffing. See what happens in this staffing. So in this staffing, what happens here? Execution of an events requires specialist. See, this is the most important valuable point here. Execution of events requires the specialist. Without a specialist, without a skilled people, we are unable to complete the task. If we are want to complete the task, we needed skilled staff and sounds, lights, stages, carpentry, electrical connections, each and everything, as well as well expert people also we are needed. So then in the organization, then the event become the successful. Without having the people, how we can complete? If we are telling one, they are making another wrong mistakes. So therefore we have required the skilled specialist to complete the event. This is also one of the function. In this function, they are deciding whether we are selecting the right candidates for the right positions, jobs or not. So this is also one of the important function of the event management. The next one is leading and coordination. Leading and coordination. Even a small mistake may mark an event management company. Therefore, employees should be constantly motivated to achieve desired results. So, this is the most important point. Leading and coordination. Coordination is very, very essential. Without coordination, each and every department, there are misunderstandings, conflicts is taken place. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಸಲನೂ ಸಹ ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಿಸ್ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಆಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೀಡರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ದಿ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ coordination is also one of the most important point. After this, controlling. So what we are going to control in the event management? After completion of the event, It is very, very important. It should be evaluated under understand and measure the extent to which an event has succeeded in achieving its purpose. So this is the performance standard should be set for every activity in the event. Every point in time, corrective actions also taken if any differences is found. So here, controlling it is also one of the function of the event management. After the completion of the event, whether we are reaching the standards or not, ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸನ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಾ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ, ಒಂದು ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವೋ ಆಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫೀಡ್ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್.